Guys ready for the project now? Hey, sexy ladies, this is for you. Chapter 11, Social Sciences. First, the claims of the Burrston physician. Now, for the battle of the sciences. Scientific or social? You decide.
The natural sciences, their hypothesis can be proved by an experiment. The social sciences cannot experiment, and therefore they are not a science.
But if an experiment is defined as having controls, then the social sciences are a science.
The natural sciences can verify their results by repeating their experiments. The social sciences, due to differing social dynamics, cannot verify their results by repeating the experiments.
However, both the social and natural sciences rely on patterns to verify their results.
The natural sciences can isolate certain variables and therefore eliminate them, keeping the validity of the experiment. The social sciences cannot isolate certain variables due to the different social dynamics.
In some natural sciences, the extraneous variables are taken out, such as in Newton's laws of physics, friction is taken out when friction is always present. Therefore, both social sciences and natural sciences take out extraneous variables.
Based on previous hypotheses and patterns, the natural sciences can predict certain future events. However, the social sciences cannot predict any future event with any assurance.
But in the social sciences, we can make predictions based on past events, such as the Pope in a couple years will not be a female.
The natural sciences have certain constants that are accepted universally.
However, it would be crazy to say that there are no constants in humans, such as sex or death.
In the natural sciences, certain hypotheses can be verified through observation, such as gravity and an apple falling from a tree. However, in the social sciences, introspection and empathy need to be taken into account when determining a hypothesis or prediction of behavior.
However, if the social scientists can predict behavior correctly, then empathy is besides the point.
In the physical sciences, many of the material can be measured with precision. However, many of the material in the social sciences is inherently vague and qualitative. For example, you can measure a woman's height, but you cannot measure the amount of her patriotism.
But any quantity is quality. Therefore, qualitative research is just as valid as quantitative research.
In the natural sciences, phenomena can be studied without regard to their past. However, in the social sciences, history is very important.
So, in evolutionary biology, it's based on a long history of natural selection. Therefore, history is part of science.
In the social sciences, observer and experimenter bias has to come into play when determining the accuracy of the results, which can skew the data.
In the natural sciences, scientists take out the outlying data to support their hypothesis, therefore making it incorrect initially.
Not only do the social sciences base their facts on ideas and concepts that are vague and inherently qualitative, but they also need to take into account the setting and the contextual evidence because they are analyzing human behavior, which always occurs in a setting.